Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pre-made dumplings. First, let's get organized. You'll need your pre-made dumpling wrappers, your delicious filling, and a small bowl of water for sealing. Make sure your workspace is clean and everything is within arm's reach. Having your filling chilled helps immensely with handling. This initial setup makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for dumpling success right from the start. Now for the fun part, filling and folding. Take one wrapper and place approximately 1 teaspoon of your prepared filling right in the center. Dip your finger in water and lightly moisten the entire edge of the wrapper. Carefully fold the wrapper in half, creating a crescent shape. Pinch the very top center to secure it. Then, starting from one end, create small, overlapping pleats along the sealed edge, pressing firmly to ensure a tight seal. Practice makes perfect. Once your dumplings are beautifully folded, it's time to cook them. You have a few fantastic options. For boiling, simply drop them into simmering water for about 5 to 8 minutes until they float to the surface. If you prefer a crispy bottom, pan fry them in a little oil until golden, then add about 1/4 cup of water, cover, and steam. Steaming in a bamboo steamer for 8 to 10 minutes also yields wonderfully tender results. Enjoy the aroma. Finally, the best part, enjoying your homemade dumplings. Serve them piping hot with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a mix of soy sauce, vinegar, and a touch of sesame oil. If you've made extra, which is always a good idea, you can easily store them. Place uncooked dumplings in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Then, transfer them to an airtight container or freezer bag. They'll keep beautifully for up to 3 months, ready for your next craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.